sun outside. It's like 11 something.
Run off in the driveway.
Oh yeah, look at the neighbors. Can you see this? Won't be sunning myself today. There's my sunny chair. Look at the ice.